Let's say that I want to change the way that I hit the next suggestion. And I want to, let's say, for example, use the right arrow key or the left arrow key. So what I want to do is go back to File, Preferences. Now I want to go to Keyboard Shortcuts. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Bito. And there's a couple different things you can change here. So one is, if I want to be able to just call suggestions when I want to be able to call them, that's right here, Shift-Alt-C. So some people want to turn off code suggestions except when they call it through some keyboard command. So then what you do is you hit Edit here, and then you put in the command that you wanted. So let's say I wanted to make it Shift-I. I could hit Enter. Now it's changed it to Shift-I. If you want to hit the next for auto suggestions, it's set as Alt right bracket. So if I wanted to change that, let's say to the right arrow key, I could hit right here, and now it's set as right arrow. So now I can just hit right and left arrows if I change the left arrow one too, and it's much easier to do that. So again, these are different things that users choose to set as for their personal preferences. All right, great. We hope you enjoy our new AI code completions, that understands your code and are a happy coder. Thanks. Bye.